Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to July Junk Journal Challenge 2025. And it's hosted by Lee Creates, and I'm just now getting started. So I've decided I'm going to use this journal that I made like last week or whatever. It's a little no-sew journal, and I'm just going to do days 1 through 4 right now. So those are Torn Edges, A Touch of Gold, Botanical, and Something Vintage. And what I'm going to do, Lee, what she did was she provided a printable. If you want to cooperate and if you or participate, just like me, because it comes with this digital that has like the colorful backgrounds or words and stuff like that. And then she also has a sheet of just the prompts if you wanted to use and cut them out, because I'm going to be doing that also. I'm going to be adding my prompts and stuff on each of my days or whatever. And then she also has like a list of types of papers and things like that that you could use in your journal. Like if you're new to junk journaling and you're just trying to get started, and you know, it's just little ideas that you could use. You don't have to, but it helps. So for today, I'm just going to do it as like one setting. Like I'm gonna do like a Torn Edge, A Touch of Gold, Botanical, and Something Vintage, all in one setting as like one unit. So what I'm going to do is I need something to keep this in place. So I've decided that I'm going to make like a page, a magnetic page flap or clip or whatever. And this idea I got from Kiki back when she did Trio of Treasures. She did like a butterfly clip. It was magnetic, but mine's not going to be shaped like a butterfly. I'm going to add some other stuff on there, but it's the same concept. So, and I'm going to use it to try to hold my prompts in place. And in here, I've got my individual prompts, and I can just cut these out along the way and then add them to the journal. So to get started, I got some magnets, some little mini magnets, and I've got some, I usually use some, what do you call it, Scotch tape whenever I'm doing stuff. So what I'm going to do is I've got some vintage papers. These are actually, I've gotten these off eBay, and so now this paper is really thin. So I want to kind of thicken it up. So I'm going to glue it to the back. Let's see, here's a piece of scrap paper. I'm just going to glue it to the back of this just to make it more sturdy. And I'm going to add another piece, excuse me, I'm going to add another piece to it on the other side, so that since it is going to be double-sided, you'll be able to see this and you'll be able to see this. So I'm just going to take one of these and I'm just going to tear it, and it's going to have a torn edge, and that's going to be one of my prompts. I'm going to make it fit. Oh, you know what? I messed up. Well, that's okay, because I need another little piece of paper. It's fine. And what I could do, let's see, because it needs to connect. So I'm just going to bend this over, connect it right here. And what I should have did, which I didn't, oh goodness, it's fine, I can still put something over top of it. I need to go ahead and put these magnets in here. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to put, I'm just sliding them across from each other, sliding them off like that. Since I know that I'm going to have like a bulky kind of, how should I put it, closure or connection, I'm going to add magnets on both sides of these, and then I'm also going to add magnets on this page as well. So, but first let me put this one here. And then I'm just going to put this there and there because that's where it matches at. And then I'll decorate it and cover it up. And then I'm going to need to put some magnets. What I'll do is put this here and then find the match. It automatically magnetizes to the spot that it needs. Okay, so I stitched one around it, and I'm definitely going to still cover it up. And I messed up a little bit because the sewing machine accidentally hit it right here, and it broke a piece of that, what do you call it, magnet. Alright, so now I'm going to have to, for this to fit on correctly, I need to add a magnet to this side right here, or to each one of these sides actually, or two magnets to each one of those sides. So I'm putting this on this side, like I put it on the opposite side. You know how there's two different sides to a magnet? One pulls it near it and the other one makes it go away. Gotta make sure you line it up correctly. So I'm laying this to where, make sure I turn it the correct way. Okay, so this one is going to go on this side, or I could have it go on this side. So if it's going to go in like this, Then I need, I need to put it on this side, the inner side. We'll get it right. Okay, and then for the prompts, I'm just going to turn this into a tag and put this back in here. We can keep it. And then we're going to have our 4 days worth of prompts. Okay, so now I've completed it, and we've got all 4 of our prompts. We have the torn edges, which are on our little closure thingy, and this is what it looks like. You have your torn edges. We have our word. This is from Whisper of Time Digital. I did use different digitals in here. Some of them are freebies, and some of them are for sale on my Ko-Fi. And some of these, the butterflies, I think are freebies. And then I used some digitals that are the vintage and wildflower nature inspired digital, and the vintage Paris ephemera and backgrounds. So, because I wanted to include some of those prompts in there. But yeah, and then we've got our prompt. Let me flip this like this, because this is the front, and it opens up like so. And then on the back, we have our prompts. So, torn edges, a touch of gold, botanical, and something vintage. And we have all the above on here. So, and this is our little magnetic thingy closure. And it sticks to the page because there are magnets, of course, you know, inside here. So, it sticks to it. And it'll hold this prompt page in here securely. So that's what we have. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And if you want to participate, I'll have a link in the description for Lee Creates for her channel, her YouTube channel. And on I'll have that link that'll take you to where you can get the free digital printable if you want the prompts list and all that stuff like that. And we don't do they're not doing prompts on weekends, it's just during the week. So, I mean, that might kind of help a little bit. So we love to see what you make. So, and if you do if you do make something, just use the hashtag JJJC 2025. So July Junk Journal Challenge 2025, that's what you'll use. And thanks for watching.